In this video, I'm going to show you how to determine how much an item will cost after there's a discount. So let's say you're going to buy an $80 pair of shoes, but the store is currently offering a 30% discount. As in our last video, we want to show this using ratios, which are fraction representations of a part-to-whole relationship. The first one we can work with is 30%. 30% means 30 per 100, so they will discount you 30 cents of every 100 cents you pay. Our part-to-whole relationship is 30 over 100. We know that normally 100% of the shoe cost is $80. Our job is to determine what 30% of 80 is. We're going to do that by using scaling. My first step is going to be to find a scale factor. I'm going to do that by dividing numerator by denominator. So I will take my 30% and I will do 30, my numerator, divided by 100, or my denominator. To divide by 100, I take my decimal and I move it 2 spots to the left. 30 divided by 100 is 0.3. So my scale factor is 0.3. That means I can do 100 times 0.3 and it'll get me to 30. If I'm multiplying this denominator by 0.3, then I will multiply this denominator by 0.3. And that will get me 24. So they're going to discount my price by $24. Now here's the part where you have to pay attention to what the question is asking you. If they just want to know how much money you have saved, your job is done. You can answer with certainty that you will save $24. If your job is to find out how much the shoes will cost after discount, you then need to take the cost of the shoes, $80, and subtract 24. And that will get you a cost of $56 after discount. The other way to solve that is to think, okay, I've got $80 shoes. I have a $30 discount. If $80 is 100% of the price and I'm saving $30, I'm really paying what's left, or 70%. So I can instead find 70% of 80. That will eliminate the need to subtract the amount saved. So we set up our ratios just like before. 70% is written as 70 over 100. In this imaginary world, I don't know how much I'm actually paying, so I need to set up my second ratio. I don't know how much I'm going to pay, so I'll leave the top blank, but I do know that 100% of the cost of the shoes is $80. So then I can scale. I'm going to divide numerator by denominator again. 70 divided by 100, which means I take 70 and I move my decimal 2 to the left, and that will get me 0.7. So my scale factor here is 0.7. 100 times 0.7 is 70. I'll do the same thing with 80. 80 times 0.7 is 56. I will pay $56 for the pair of shoes after discount. The sample problem I would like you to solve for this set of notes is finding out if you're buying a $94 pair of sneakers and the store is running a 16% off sale, because it's a very weird store. How much are you actually going to pay? Please answer that in the bottom of your notes.